My name is Karolina Matyska and I'm Content Marketing Manager at Senuto. Senuto is an SEO analytics tool and know-how consultancy that helps you plan, monitor and optimize marketing activities in Google. Our clients are SEO specialists mostly, but also e-commerce managers, online marketing managers, content marketing managers, copywriters, and all of the people who fight for best possible visibility in Google and more organic traffic to their website. Webinars always seemed to us to be a perfect way of supporting our clients on their journey through Senuto platform. ClickMeeting is one of our content marketing platforms. The implementation process was pretty easy. We integrated ClickMeeting with our Google Analytics account, with Google Ads system, with Facebook Pixel and HubSpot. I've got two favorite features that ClickMeeting offers. One of them is this little thing that automatically records webinars and I do not have to think about it. And to be honest, there are a lot of things that I have to remember about before or during a webinar, so that's a great thing. I love that I can redirect the attendees to the website that I choose directly after the webinar ends. The feedback we get is actually great. With every new webinar, we also get people who ask for more and ask where they can get notified about the newest or the upcoming webinars. And it's very nice to hear and very nice to know that they actually want the knowledge that we share and that they look forward to get it. During a 30-minute webinar, I can make sure that our clients are notified about the newest functions within Senuto platform. I can instruct them how to use it, how to solve their problems with it, and how to optimize their work. I definitely recommend ClickMeeting to other businesses because it's intuitive and it's easy to use. But what's most important for me, I can rely on it. I cannot imagine that there is a webinar in 3 minutes and my webinar platform is not working. It just can't happen. And with ClickMeeting, it never happens.